AI is changing everything, and it's happening faster than most of us ever expected. From the way we communicate to how we work, artificial intelligence is weaving itself into the fabric of our daily lives. And honestly, I get why so many of us are asking, will AI replace my job? It's a question that's on everyone's mind, whether you're just starting your career or you've been in the workforce for decades. Everywhere I look, there's something new. ChatGPT writing emails, DALL-E turning words into art. It's wild. These tools are getting smarter, more creative, and more capable every single day. And yeah, it's a little intimidating. It's normal to feel a bit anxious when you see technology doing things that once seemed impossible for a machine. AI is creeping into places we never thought it could go. It's not just about robots in factories anymore. It's about algorithms making decisions, software automating tasks, and machines learning from us. That's not science fiction. That's right now. The future we used to imagine is already here, and it's reshaping the world of work in real time. But before you panic, let's break down what AI can actually do. It's important to separate the hype from reality, so you can make smart choices about your career. AI is amazing at things like crunching numbers, sifting through endless data, or doing the same task over and over again. It's built for efficiency, speed, and accuracy in repetitive work. If your job is about repetition, data entry, basic customer service, maybe even working an assembly line, AI could shake things up for you. These are the roles most at risk, because machines can do them faster and often with fewer mistakes, and not in some distant future, I mean soon. We're already seeing companies adopt AI to streamline operations and cut costs. But here's the thing, AI isn't great at everything. There are still plenty of things that only humans can do well. When a job needs creativity, empathy, or some good old-fashioned human intuition, AI falls flat. It can't truly understand feelings, context, or the subtle art of human connection. Think about teachers shaping young minds, nurses who know exactly how to comfort someone, or artists who see the world differently. These are roles where the human touch is irreplaceable. AI can assist, but it can't actually be you. Not yet anyway. It can help you do your job better, but it can't bring your unique perspective, your compassion, or your spark. So what does that mean for you and your future? It means you have a choice in how you respond to this new era. Well, it means you've got power. You're not just a bystander in this story, you're an active participant. The best thing you can do right now is focus on the skills AI can't touch, invest in yourself, and keep learning. Critical thinking, creativity, problem solving, emotional intelligence, these are the real game changers. They're what set you apart from any algorithm or robot. If you're thinking about your next move, maybe it's time to upskill or reskill. Take a course, attend a workshop, or just start exploring new interests. Data science, healthcare, even AI development itself, these are fields where people are still essential. In fact, as AI grows, we'll need more people to guide, manage, and improve these systems. Look, the job market is changing fast. There's no sugarcoating that. But change also brings new opportunities. Roles that didn't exist a few years ago are popping up everywhere. But you're not powerless. You have the ability to adapt, to grow, and to shape your own path. The more you learn, adapt, and lean into what makes you uniquely human, the safer your job will be. It's about embracing change, not fearing it, and honestly, that's kind of exciting, right? We're living through a transformation, and you get to be part of it. So is your job safe from AI? Maybe, maybe not, but remember, the future isn't set in stone. It's something we build together every day. But one thing's for sure, you can do a lot to stay ahead of the curve. Stay proactive, keep your skills sharp, and don't be afraid to try something new. Stay curious, stay learning, and remember, no robot can replace your spark. Thanks for watching. If this got you thinking, hit subscribe for more insights just like this one.